Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add HTML or embed code on Wix. First, log into your Wix account. Once inside, go to the site where you want to embed or add an HTML, then click on Edit Site. Now, once inside the editor, on the left panel, click on this plus icon to add an element. Then, from the options, you can now see an embed code one, so go to it. And in here, you can choose on embed HTML, so click on that. And now, you will have a code block where you can add your embed code or a website address or an HTML. And once done, just go and hit on apply. Now, this element will let you insert custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript into your site. This will allow you to add interactive widgets like chat boxes, calendars, or forms, display content from other websites, integrate third-party tools that Wix doesn't have by default, and run custom scripts for analytics, pop-ups, or styling changes. And that's just basically it. That's how you add or enter an embed code in your Wix site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.